Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Darlene, and welcome to another edition of This Is Our Town. Today we take you to one of our favorite San Diego neighborhoods, Point Loma. Best known for Cabrillo National Park, incredible views and beautiful homes, this unique area borders Ocean Beach, Shelter Island, and Harbor Island. There are also many hidden spots that are perfect for taking nice long walks.
This is La Playa. It's the path along La Playa. You've got views of the bay, Shelter Island. If you were ever to take a kayak or dinghy over to a Humphries concert, this would be the spot to launch out of. It's near Scott Street. Also, again, near Shelter Island. And there's a wonderful path that goes on for about 20-25 minutes that is never really crowded, even in July and August when San Diego is packed with people.
So I'm at Humphries Backstage Live, and this is absolutely one of our favorite venues to see live music. They pretty much have live music every week, and one thing that we love to do is see the concerts, Humphries by the Bay, and then afterwards we like to come here at the Backstage Live. It's a really cool experience.
Where do the locals love to go? It's the Valley High on Shelter Island. Also really popular for weddings, and their Sunday brunch is one of a kind, and so are these views of the bay and downtown.
So we're on Lucinda Street, which I know is one of your favorite streets, even though it is very hilly.
When they take postcard photos, this is usually where they take the postcard shot of the city, the bay, Shelter Island. First time I came here, I saw a shooting star with my friend Hoyt. We rode bikes up part of this hill, and we're coming up on a garden which George Evans dedicated as a tribute to his wife, Lucy, and the garden has the epic view from Lucinda.